This is the process of how I incorporated LEDs into my Iron Man helmet. We're starting off with these cosplay LED lenses that I ordered off Amazon for $20. Honestly, they could have been cheaper, but they're flexible, so they work great for me. They also have a little white dot pattern, which makes it look really cool. There was some extra space at the top of my helmet, so I decided to fit my AA battery pack there. Now, actually attaching the lenses to the mask was the risky part, because once you glued it there, you can't go back. So I traced out the position I wanted the lenses to be in. So I repeated it with the other side, and actually I got a pretty good result. Next was the hard part, the soldering part. Now I attached the wires to magnets, so once the mask closed, the lenses would light up. It was also my first time soldering, so it took me a few tries. All in all, I think it looks great. Throughout the process, I learned how to work with electronics more, and especially soldering. I hope I can use these for future projects or even another part of my Iron Man suit. But that's all for now. More things on the Mark 42 suit coming soon.